Addition 3 single digit numbers. Let's learn to add 3 single digit numbers using 3 different ways. Okay, so this is number 1. Here we will add the first 2 numbers. Now what are the first 2 numbers here? Number 2 and then you have number 4. So 2 plus 4 is 2 plus 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can use objects to add numbers, or if you know the number combination, you can easily find the answer. So 2 plus 4 is 6. And what is the other number we are left with? 3. 6 plus 3 is 6 here. 1, 2, 3. So 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is the answer? 9. Let's do the next one. Let's add the first 2 numbers. What are the first 2 numbers? 4 and 3. You have 4 here. 2, 3. So 4, what is the next number? 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 3 is 7 plus, what is the number we are left with? Number 1. Then we can write number 1 here, and when you add 7 with 1, answer is 8. Okay, let's do the next one. Let's add the first 2 numbers. What are the first 2 numbers? 5 and 0. So when you add 5 with 0, the answer is just 5. And then you will add the third number. What is the third number? Number 2. So what is our answer? We have 5 here, plus 2, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7. Next, 1 plus 8. The first 2 numbers. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus, what is the number you are left with? 0. So 9 plus 0 equals 9. Right? Next, what are the numbers that we are going to add? The first 2 numbers. That is 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 will be 7. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 plus 7 is 10. And what is the third number? 1. So plus 1. 10 plus 1 will be 10 and 1, 11. Now, first two numbers, 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus, what is the third number? 5. And 5 plus 5 is 10. So here we use the first two numbers and then we add the third number to find the sum of three single digit numbers. Okay? Right. Here you have the same numbers and we are going to add the 3-digit numbers by adding the last two numbers first. So last two numbers are 4 and 3. Right? So let's write this number 2 over here. Plus, and what should we do now? We should add number 4 with number 3. So 4 plus 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. So 2 plus 7 is 9. Let's try the next one. We should add the last two numbers, right? So the first number will be here, number 4. And let's add the last two numbers. Last two numbers are 3 and 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. And 4 plus 4 is 8. Next, what do you write first? You write number 5. Now let's add the last two numbers, 0 and 2. 0 and 2 is 2. So 5 plus 2 is 7. Number 1 here plus 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Next, what are the last two numbers here? 7 and 1. So let's write number 3 here. Plus 7 and 1. 7 and 1 is 8. 8. So let's add these two numbers. 3 plus 8 is 11. Okay, next let's write number 3 here. Plus 2 plus 5. What is 2 plus 5? 2 plus 5 is 7. So 3 plus 7 is 10. Okay. So now we know how to add 3 single digit numbers by first adding the last 2 numbers. Okay, now this is the third slide. Let's find the answer of these 3 single digit numbers by adding the first number and the last number first. So how are we going to do that? First number is 2 and the last number is 3. So 2 plus 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus, so we have added number 2 with number 3. So what number are we left with? Number 4. So yeah, we will write number 4 here. And 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay, so let's do the next one. First, we'll add the first number with the last number. 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. And let's write number 3 here. And now 5 plus 3 is 8. Next, the first number here is number 5 and the last number is number 2. So let's add 5, 6, 7. 7 here plus 0. 7 plus 0 equal 7. Okay. The first number here is number 1 and 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. And we are left with number 8. Let's add that number as well. So 1 plus 8 will be 9. Three plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus, what is the other number? Number 7. 4 plus 7 equals 11. The last one, 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Together will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus 2 equals 8 plus 2 is 10. So what did you learn? You learned to add 3 single digit numbers together, right? So whichever the way you add, whether you add the last 2 numbers first, or the first 2 numbers first, or the first and the last 2 numbers first, and then the third number, the answer will always be the same. Keep practicing, and then I will see you with another lesson.